Today I'm telling you about a very special program I'm offering in January. Hi, I'm Jessica Valant. I'm a physical therapist, Pilates teacher, and women's health expert. And my goal is to be here to help you feel strong and safe in your body in all seasons of life. I want to tell you about a very special 4-week program I am offering in January called Thrive. We're starting January 5th, 2026. And Thrive is a 4-week program offering you home workouts, support, nutrition, all the resources that you need to start the year feeling confident and thriving in your body. Now, this is different from many of the workout programs that you're gonna see out there this time of year. Many of those either don't offer you individual things that you need for your own body, your own season of life, or they're quick hits, meaning you'll get in, you'll get out, but they aren't things that you'll carry forward. I want to be here to support you now and in the years to come. I want to teach you how to meet your body where it is right now, and then to carry you forward as your goals and your needs change. So we offer daily workouts that include Pilates, lifting weights, cardio, mobility, balance, and so much more. And these are all home workouts, meaning all you need is a mat and a set of dumbbells. If for any reason the workouts that I offer you on a daily basis don't help you in what you're going through, we have a full workout library of over 400 workouts that you can choose from, ranging from 5 to 55 minutes, beginner to advanced, all different types of workouts to serve your needs. In addition to that, in our Thrive program, you're gonna get support from me, including live workouts from me and some live sessions where we really get into all the resources that you need going forward. You're also gonna have a session with our registered nutritionist. She's gonna come in and offer a live session for all our program participants as well. Everyone who comes into Thrive also gets access to my free member app. So all of this is at your fingertips and easy to use. And then after the 4 weeks is over, you'll have the option to continue in Unlimited with me and thousands of other women from across the world. It is truly one of the most positive and encouraging places online. So if you are looking to thrive in your body, in your life, in yourself, moving forward in 2026, I would love to have you over in our Thrive program. We start January 5th, 2026, and the link to sign up is below. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Take a moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you never miss new releases. And here are a few recommendations for what to try next. See you soon.